वास्को एमपीटी वाठारांत रावपी लोकांचें जगप कठीण जालां. मात सरकार आनी प्रदूशण नियंत्रण मंडळ दोळे धांपून न्हिदला. तांकां लोकांचें कितेंच पडिल्लें ना. तांकां फक्त धंदेकारांचें पडलां असो आरोप वास्कोचे लोक करतात. आयतारा गोंय अगेन्स्ट कोल संघटना आनी वास्कोच्या लोकांनी गोंय प्रदूशण नियंत्रण मंडळाच्या कार्यालयांत गेल्ले. वास्कोन एमपीटीचेर जावपी कोळशाच्या येरादारीचो लोकांक त्रास जाता. लोकांच्या घरांनी आनी जेवणांतल्यान कोळशाची पावडर घुसता. तांचेर नियंत्रण दवरचें तशेंच प्रदूशण मंडळाची आनी एमपीटीच्या अधिकाऱ्यांची बसका जावपाची आसात. तातूंत थळाव्या लोकांक आपले प्रस्न मांडपा खातीर परवानगी दिवची अशी मागणी करपी निवेदन मंडळाक दिलां.
तेचे प्रमाणे जर ते चालू करपाचें आसा, तांकां हियरींग मागला तेंच्यानी 21 ते हियरिंगाक आमी सुद्दां पार्टी जावपाक जाय म्हणून आमी तेंच्यानी मागणी केल्या. जर ते फक्त कमर्शियल सायडीन चिंततात जाल्यार आमी आमच्या लायफा प्रमाणे चिंतपाक जाय. आनी एज रायट टू क्लीन एअर आमकां आसा आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युशनान. त्या हिशोबान आमी म्हटलें की आमकां थंय हियरिंगान पार्ट जायूच म्हणून. अदरवायज दे कॅनॉट हॅव द हियरींग विदावट अस, एंड विदावट अस दीस हियरींग इज इनकम्प्लीट, जे आमी तेंच्यानी मागून येयले आतां. सो हांव इतलेंच मागता की गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन लोकांच्या लायफा कडेन खेळनाकात. तुमी जशे बिजनसमॅना कडेन खेळनात तशें आमच्या लायफा वांगडा खेळनाका. आमची लायफ जियोवपाक आमकां फूल रायट आसा आनी ते तुमी आमकां सपोर्ट करपाक जाय. बिकॉज वी आर इलेक्टींग यू एज अ रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह ऑफ अस टू सपोर्ट द पीपल, नॉट टू सपोर्ट द बिजनस लॉबी एंड स्पेशली द कोल हँडलर्स. सो हे आमची एक रिक्वेस्ट आसा गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन, कितें आसा जो तुमी स्टेप घेतला बंद उडोवपाचो कोल, तसो तुमी फुडें तो कायम दवरपाचो.
सरकार हे लोकांनी आपल्या बऱ्या खातीर वेंचून दितात. तांचें काम लोकांच्या हिताचें कामां करपाचें. मात हें सरकार लोकांक त्रास जाय सारकी कामां करता. लोकांच्या प्रस्नांचें कितेंच पडिल्लें ना. सरकारा कडेन प्रदुशणाचेर नियंत्रण दवरपाक जायना जाल्यार असल्या धंद्यांक परवानगी कित्याक दिता असो प्रस्न वास्कोचे लोक करतात.
पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड आहा तेणी स्टेट पोल्युशन प्रमोशन बोर्ड म्हणून नांव करपाक जाय. कित्याक आमी गेली 6-7 वर्सां इतले कंप्लेनी तांकां दिल्ले आहात, तेंची ते कांयच दखल घेनात. जेन्ना सोशल मिडियाचेर किंवा आमी जेन्ना लोक आवाज करतात वास्कोचे, तेन्नाच गोवा पोल्युशन बोर्ड जागी जाता. सो म्हाका तर दिसता की हेंची कांयच सोशल आनी मोरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ना गोवा पोल्युशन बोर्डाची. आतां सुद्दां आमी जेन्ना सोशल मिडियाचेर जे आमी स्वता जेन्ना ते विडियोज व्हायरल केला तेन्ना तेंच्यांनी खंय तरी दखल घेतला ह्या बाबतीची आनी तेंच्यांनी तो प्लांट 7 दिसां खातीर बंद दवरला. सो आमी गव्हर्मेंटाक सांगूंक सोदतात की जर तुमकां पोल्युशन कंट्रोल करपाक जायना जाल्यार तांकां तुमी कन्सर्नूय दिवपाची ना.
कोळशाचें प्रदूशण लोकांक दिसना. हालीं प्रमाणा भायर कोळशाची येरादारी चालू आशिल्ल्यान प्रदूशण आमकां दिसता अशें गोंय अगेन्स्ट कोल संघटनेचे वांगडी म्हणटा. तशेंच सरकारान लोकांच्या भलायके कडेन खेळचें न्ही असो सल्लो दिला.
Because we today are able to see layers of coal dust doesn't mean that on days that we don't visibly see the coal dust, we are not breathing in that harmful pollution. These particles are so small that on regular days you cannot see it. These days you have seen it because it has increased exponentially up to 4 times the limit of what they are allowed permissible limit. So if the Pollution Control Board has ongoing continuous air quality measurements going on at the port, why does it require us citizens to collect data and show them on a daily basis before they can act? If they are having 24/7 monitoring, shouldn't they be able to take action as and when these issues are happening? And why must the coal handlers always wait till the citizens around complain and almost bring business to a stop? If they weren't so lax in their operations, this would not be the situation. All of us in and around Vasco want the port to continue, but not if they are going to put us and our health and our children at risk with this kind of activities. I'm sure there are a number of other activities that can be done without putting all citizens' life at risk for an ongoing period like this. Thank you.
गोंय अगेन्स्ट कोल संघटने बरोबर गोंय फावंडेशनाचो क्लाउड आल्वारीस गेल्लो. उपरांत तांणी पणजेन पत्रकार परिशद घेतली. लोकांच्या भलायके कडेन सरकारान खेळोन व्हड गुनो केला. सरकारान हें कितें चलयलां तें बेगीनाच बंद करचें. तशेंच जो मेरेन सरकार ना जाल्यार प्रदूशण नियंत्रण मंडळान लोकांच्या भलायकेची काळजी घेवपाची जबाबदारी घेयना तो मेरेन प्रदूशण करपी काम थंय करची न्ही अशें क्लाउड आल्वारीसान सांगलें.
Pollutants coming out from the MPT area. And this is a serious offence under the Air Pollution Control Act. It's a very serious offence. According to the Goa Foundation, for this event, they have to take punitive action They have to close down the operations which they have done, but they cannot restart them unless a prosecution is launched against these companies. They have to launch a prosecution against MPT, against JSW, and against Adani. I am saying this because I am conscious that there is the writ petition in the High Court dealing with all the pollution that has taken place before. This is a new event that has taken place. And what we want to observe is that it took at least 10 to 12 days before the Pollution Control Board recognized that there was a problem. Means they have no means of finding out what is happening at Vasco. And now that they are gone to Saligaon, it's even more difficult for them to find out what is happening at Vasco. But the result is that pollution went on for 8 to 10 days. Now we have done a monitoring of all these pictures that you can see all the different types of situations, verandas, doors, floors, water bodies, all filled with a layer of black coal. We have taken tissue papers and wiped. We have taken tissue papers and wiped all the surfaces. Everywhere you can see the tissue papers. All wiped the surfaces with coal from the area. If this is the surface of the ground, you can imagine what will be the surface of the lungs, because this particle size which has exceeded is 2.5 particles. That means they have gone, in so fine that they can enter the people's lungs. So this is a very serious affair. That's why we are having a special press conference. It's a serious event that has taken place. You cannot say that it has happened only over 12 days. Bhopal gas disaster took place only in one night. We don't want coal to restart in Vasco till the board can give us a cast iron guarantee that these type of events will not occur. And more important, that the continuous small level coal emissions that keep coming back continuously throughout the day and throughout the night, all that is stopped. We are insisting with the board that there may be any dust coming into our houses, we don't mind. But we do not want coal dust under any circumstances.